Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, I Lost Again 960, back with another YouTube banger. I want to talk about how to make friends and lock in. So, I know there's 90% of you that have not liked and subscribed yet. So, if you like and subscribe and share to your friends, it will really help. I've been helping the homeless. I've been helping everyone out. So, if I make it famous, I'm telling you right now, I am going to make people happy. That's what it's all about. It's not about the money. It is about how I get famous, what I'm going to do with the money, and I'm going to make people happy as well. So I'm telling you guys, I'm going to make people happy. And with the money that you guys give me, I am going to make sure that I am financially stable. And I want to make sure that other people are financially stable too. So all I ask is if you see this video, just like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We got 7 minutes. We have to talk fast because I don't have a lot of space on my phone because I've been making so many videos. So I just want to say, if you want to make friends, I would recommend the summer is the best way. Summertime is the best way. And also the morning time as well. So usually in like the afternoon time, it's the easiest way to make friends. And if you go up to groups of people, that's another easy way to make friends. If you go up to someone by themselves, they might not be your friend. That's just from personal experience. I've gone up to groups before and I've made friends before. So just from personal experience, if you want to make friends, I do recommend going up to a group of people. Also, if you're looking to date someone, make sure you ask how old they are. Depending on how old you are, make sure that you ask how old you are. If you're 18, you have to date someone that's 18 or above. If you're 15, you can date someone that is 15, 16, 17, all those below 18. So, yeah. But, anyways, this video is just to say how to make friends. Literally, just go up to people. It's literally confidence. You say, hey, my name is so-and-so. I'm trying to make some friends. Would you want to be my friend? And maybe we can play some Monopoly or whatever you want to do. It's really only confidence. So if you believe that you can do it, you can do anything in life. That's what I always say. And then I'm running out of time, but I want to say one more thing. Groups is the main way to make friends. That's a one way to make friends. Also, I like doing these motivation videos for you guys because I feel like it helps. And the reason why I don't have a girlfriend is some people say because you can't get one. That's not true. I could get one if I wanted, but I don't want to. So some people say I can't get one, but for anybody wondering, I can get one if I want to. I don't want to right now. But anyways, it will happen over time. But anyways, that's how you make friends. Just go up to people in groups. We only have 2 more minutes left. I'm trying to think. Lock in. I want to tell you guys to lock in. It's the summertime, and the best way to get famous on YouTube is especially the summer. There's millions and millions of people on YouTube. It's the summertime. People are gonna want to watch YouTube, especially at night or in the afternoon. Maybe not the morning, maybe not late at night, but like around the morning or like afternoon and like around dinner time. Perfect time to stream. Lock in, and most importantly, support the people who support you. I'm telling you right now, if you support the people that support you, you are going to make it. I'm telling you right now. I support so many people every single day to the point if I make it, I'm still gonna support them. And that's because they helped me. So anyways, you always choose who gets famous. So I'm telling you guys right now, if I get famous, I am going to help people. That's why I say every single video. But anyways, I'm running out of time. I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe and share to your friends because that really does help. And comment. Commenting helps as well. So like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. Anyways, see you in the next video and peace out.